How to install a night latch or deadlock. Difficulty level 1 hammer. Fit a surface-mounted standard or deadlock night latch to your door to improve the security of your home. You will need a standard or deadlock night latch for your door and perhaps door hinge reinforcements too. You will need a pencil, a tape measure, a cordless drill, a screwdriver, some trestles, a wood chisel, a wooden mallet, Allen keys, a set of hole cutters, a flat wood drill, some blocks of wood, and a wood drill bit. Place the night latch 1 meter 50 centimeters from the ground and use the template to mark the guide holes and the position of the cylinder. Use a 2 mm diameter drill to drill 8 mm deep pilot holes. Then drill the center point for the cylinder all the way through the door. Drill a hole with the flat drill bit for the cylinder halfway through the door. Then finish the hole by drilling from the other side of the door. In this way, you can drill a neat hole without any splinters. Fix the night latch to the door. Fix the striking plate to the frame and align the bolt. Mark the drill holes with the point of a small screwdriver. Drill the pilot holes and attach the striking plate. On the outside of the door, place the decorative rose over the cylinder. To replace a simple lock with a surface-mounted single-point security deadlock, start by removing the cylinder retaining screws. Align the retaining cam with the key and pull it towards you. Now remove all other parts of the lock. Use wood filler to plug the screw holes carefully. Choose the deadlock that best suits the direction in which the door opens. Hinges on the right, lock on the left. Hinges on the left, lock on the right. To make the job easier, remove the door from its hinges and put it on 2 trestles. Use the lock template to mark the drill holes for the cylinder of your new lock. Normally, the center point of the handle is 1 meter 5 centimeters from the ground. Drill the hole for the cylinder. As for the night latch, start drilling on one side of the door and finish off from the other. Put the lock on the side of the door and mark the outline of the faceplate. Use a wood chisel angled at around 30 degrees to cut out the slot. Lay the lock housing on the door. Drill 2 mm pilot holes, then screw it into place. Drill pilot holes and screw the faceplate into position. Attach the cylinder rose on the other side of the door. Replace the door without closing it and extend a line to mark the position of the striking plate on the door jamb. Draw the outline of the slot for the striking plate. Cut out the slot with the wood chisel. To prevent the door being forced, don't skimp on the length of the screws. Check the locking and unlocking mechanism several times and the free movement of the bolt within the striking plate. From time to time, it's a good idea to check the lock works smoothly and the bolt moves freely within the striking plate. To prevent the hinges of the door being forced, you can install mortise and tenon hinge reinforcements. You should install these near the hinges. If necessary, take the door off its hinges again. Drill out the housings for the tenons on the door and tap them home with a hammer. Close the door gently to mark the door frame. Drill the holes for the mortise sockets and tap them into place using a block of wood. This is an easy job to carry out and will mean your door is better able to resist any possible attempts to break it down.